Yeah, see? Somebody feels betrayed, stabbed in the back with the Ten of Swords. Alright, but I'm seeing that they're confident. They're confident because it's like they're listening to their intuition. So somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, you know, but this is the thing. I told y'all, whoever messed up, this person definitely betrayed you. They stabbed you in the back one too many times, right? And because of things that they kept hiding from you, the lies, all of that, they're feeling like, okay, you're not going to take their offer. See, they want happiness with you. Clarify the Sun. But they have to remove themselves out of some type of third-party situation. For some of you, maybe they have a child or children with someone else. But I'm seeing a Sagittarius here. So this person, definitely, they want to balance things out with you. They want to move forward with you. Could be dealing with a Cancer. It's interesting because the Emperor tried to jump out, and here's the Emperor. So you see what I'm saying? So I'm talking to a soulmate, but this could be a twin flame situation. This person is afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. They're needing to speak their truth. And I'm seeing that they definitely want to give you an offer, but see, they're back and forth. They're not positive if you're going to take it. Tell me more. All right. So I'm seeing that this person, they will make a decision. See, the Emperor tried to jump out again. Yeah, they're going to make a decision. This person, yeah, they're needing to get out of some type of family situation. Or maybe they're feeling like, you know, they're not going to be able to have a family with you, and this is why they're not putting in the work. But if there is some type of family situation involved here, it's like this is why they can't put in the work with you just yet, Gemini. Yeah, see, they're going through a lesson. They're doing a lot of thinking right now. Because see this, oh yeah, this person was being a trickster. This person was like very sneaky in the past. I feel like they got caught. And so now they're going to have to tell the truth. And that's why they're listening to their intuition. See what I'm saying? There's the High Priestess. There's the High... This is a twin flame. So I'm talking to a twin here. This is a twin flame situation. But see how the King of Cups here about the King of Pentacles? So it's like... This person messed up because they were dealing with someone else. But now they're afraid that you moved on. And now you're with someone else. Or there's someone else coming in. And now they're upset because, see, this person has a hard time opening up, talking to you. And now they don't have a peace of mind. So they don't know how this is going to play out. Due to the fact that they want a victory with you. Could be dealing with a Taurus. Sorry, y'all. I'm skipping signs. I'm seeing a Virgo. There's a Leo here. So this person's trying to have the strength to, look at that, drop a situation. But they're undecided about how to fix this with you. Undecided about how to have a victory with you. Because, see, I feel like they're waiting on something, you know, when it comes to their money. But at the end of the day, they did have you waiting around. And, see, they know that they're going to have to move fast. Tell me more. Because, see, they're getting to the point where they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. Because they've been dragging their feet. They've been taking their time. See, they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. Tell me more. Look at that. You have two aces, both reversed. This person feels like, period, point blank, you're not going to take their offer. You're going to reject them. But this was their lesson. And now it's like, okay, they're going to have to move forward. Lord, let's see what just jumped out. Okay, y'all. Hold on one second. Let's see. Okay. So, this person, they're wanting to move forward with you. Because I'm seeing they're wanting to heal things with you. So it's like they're trying to heal things on their end first. But they're going to come back and heal things with you. You could be dealing with an Aquarius. Because I'm seeing that this person definitely, they're going to have to go slow. It's like they're going to give you this small offer. Because of the simple fact that this person was definitely running in and out of your life. They were being a player in the past. See, that's the past. You know, they didn't bring stability to the situation. There was definitely some type of home or family situation going on here. And this was the problem. This is why they couldn't make a decision. They kept running in and out of your life. And it honestly could be affecting their finances as well. So at the end of the day, even though they're afraid that things may not improve, they're trying to get out of that energy. They're trying to have the energy to come back towards you. But they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around. Because, one, they're needing to get out of the situation, but they feel like you don't want them anymore. See, there's a death card. There's an ending. So there's definitely, I feel like this person is trying to put an ending to the other situation that they're in, but they're afraid that, again, you do not want this new beginning with them. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I'm telling you, this person is going through an awakening. Somebody's going through a transformation, and it's like every time I'm telling you they want to say something to you, they don't. Ooh, I'll try to come out. Yeah, see? They're going to tell you the truth. I'm seeing that this person's going to tell you about some type of commitment that they were in or someone that they were committed to, but they're going to let you know they walked away from them. They left them alone. See, the devil tried to come out reverse. I'm telling you, somebody's walking away from a toxic situation, but right now it's like they're not taking a leap just yet. Yeah, see, they're dragging their feet. Tell me more. Because they know they hurt you. They did hurt you. And now they fear that they lost you for good, Gemini. Yep, this person tried to move on, you know, and with whoever or whatever situation that they were in, they tried their best, and now they're realizing that was the biggest mistake that they made, because now they're like, okay, I don't know how things are going to improve between, you know, me and her or me and him. Yeah, they left you out in the cold, and they want to fix it. Look at the king and the queen. Yeah, it's screaming twin flame, okay? This is a twin flame reading. All right, so the thing is, there could have been like a mother figure or some type of mother involved. You see, look, I told you. There was somebody else here. There was somebody else here. And this was the problem. This is why they're like, okay, I have to cut this other person off, because they know you're not tolerating this anymore. You will let them go. But see, they're feeling stuck because they're having to give to this other woman. Or it could be another man. This is legal. Y'all have been seeing this all day long. This is some type of legal situation going on. Somebody's having to go to court, or they're having to go through some type, like this even be like if they live with someone and there's just like, you know, like they pay rent, there's a lease agreement, it's some type of contract, right? And this is why they're back and forth with making a decision when it comes to you, because they want to say something to you now, but what I'm picking up is they're wanting to get themselves out of the situation first and then come towards you. See, there's the home. I'm seeing 11, 11, 11. I told y'all, it could be a soulmate, but I'm picking up twin. There could be like some type of home or family situation, but the thing is, they want this with you. See, this person, they want to ask you out. They want to celebrate with you, but they're worried. This person, they can't sleep. They're back and forth with losing money. That's what they're going to lose money. It's like they're going to get hit financially because of this other person, the situation that they were in. I told you, it's like the universe cranked it up a notch. They got to go through it based off of the decisions that they make. There are consequences. You know, Gemini, I'm skipping signs again. See what I'm saying, y'all? My bad. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. Somebody could have been dealing with another Gemini. But right now, there's no balance in the situation that they're in. And the thing is, they know this, and they choose you. They want to be with you. They don't want to be with this other person. See, look at that, 11, 11, and it jumped on the other 11, 11. I'm telling y'all. You already know. Y'all have a connection. This person fears that you're going to reject their offer. Because, see, they want to have this with you. They want to be with you, but there's somebody else still holding on to them for money. See? So they're having a hard time, but they will remove themselves from a toxic situation. Could be dealing with a Capricorn. This person knows that they were immature and very childish. So, yeah, they're getting out of their head, but they have some decisions to make. Clarify the Three of Pentacles. Yeah. So, I'm telling you, there's somebody around them. This person is going after them. They want money, right? And this is why they can't cut them off just yet. See, I told y'all there are two women. Could be two men. But I told you, this person, they're going through it. They hurt you. But they have to go through this with this other person. This is a part of their journey. Okay. I'm going to be honest with you. Like, while I was trying to get the cards together, I saw like 3 cards sticking up in different directions. There were 3 different queens. So maybe your person could have been dealing with, you know, you and 2 other people. It could have been a situation like I'm seeing you, a love interest, and then a family member. Or you and 2 other love, like, you know, it could be anything. But there could have been more than one person involved outside of you. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the 5 of Swords. So you guys are frustrated because you feel like you lost this person. Ooh. Yep. You're starting to feel like you're not going to have a family with this individual. This could be some of you saying that they need to get out of a family situation. Yeah, because you don't see things improving. Yeah, I have 2 4s here. I'm telling you, either you have a family with this person, or this person has a family, or they're in some type of living situation with someone else. But regardless, it's like you want stability with them. See, Lord, y'all have a lot of jumping cards today. See, but there's the Hierophant reverse. You're feeling like you're not going to be able to have a commitment with them. You may not be able to marry them. For some of you, it's like, again, they're having to get out of a commitment or a marriage. Yeah, somebody, okay, yeah. Somebody's married. Somebody's either in some long-term commitment or they're married. This is some type of contract here. Yep. And this could be why they're isolating themselves from you. And that's why you feel left out in the cold. Okay. I have 2 5. Okay. Yeah, you're in your head a lot about this connection, this person. But see, you're like, I got to put an end to it. Somebody was going through something financially here. Look at that. Yeah, I told you, you're getting out of your head. You're like, I'm not worrying about this anymore. This person that you were dealing with, I feel like they are emotional, but at the same time, you don't trust them at all. Yep, because they stabbed you in the back a lot because of some type of family situation, you know, and you found out the truth. Maybe some of you guys didn't know that they were in a family situation or family was involved some type of way. So now it's like, one minute you don't want to deal with them at all, but the next minute you're saying to yourself, you know what? They just have to go through it, and right now I'm just focusing on me. Yes, there's 2 women. See what I'm saying? You guys are listening to your intuition, but at the same time, I do feel like you're not. Because I'm seeing that you're being pushed to just move forward and not look back. Yeah, I keep seeing you guys are going to come out of being frustrated about it. But you are back and forth, because at times it's like sometimes you guys are good, right? Because you're moving on, you're healing, you're just trying your best to enjoy life. But then you'll have your moments where, you know, this situation, you'll start thinking about it, or you could be picking up on this person and you're over it, you know, because it's like one minute you're saying to yourself, I'm just ready to move in a new direction because I don't see myself building with them. But then the next minute you're like, but I know we're supposed to be together, like I do want to build with this person. But see, there you are, Queen of Swords. Your guard is up and you're over it, because see, this person is still in some type of codependent situation. I told y'all when I was getting those cards together, and what's even crazy, these are the 3 queens I saw that were sticking out. These are the 3 queens. So there could be more than one person involved in your situation. That's crazy. That's why your guard is up and you're like, I don't have time for this. All right, Gemini. Y'all please leave me some comments. Y'all done gave me a headache. I love y'all, but you better leave me some comments, okay? Let me know what's going on. And I hope you guys enjoyed your reading. But yeah, we'll see how this plays out. Okay, Geminis, I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.